Howdy folks, Doug Rawadi here, Sandler Training in Connecticut, and this is another 60-second sales training. I'm going to open this episode with a couple of questions. How many times over the last week or two did your prospect ask you for a demo? 4 times, maybe? Out of those 4 times, did you know what was supposed to happen next in your mind and especially the prospect's mind? Here's a tip. When you want to know the future, bring it back to the present. Try using this carefully crafted phrase the next time you get a demo request. Let's pretend you saw the demo. What happens next? Now, that's not the end of the story, but with practice, it can be a great start. The deal here is no mutual mystification. Know why you're doing something before you do it. Master this professional sales strategy and get ready to see your income skyrocket. This is Doug Rawadi with Sandler Training in Connecticut. 203-257-4551 is my mobile number, and that's today's 60-second sales training.